What's up, guys? Julian here, and I'm gonna be showing you how to get Subway Surfers or some games hacked. See, I got Subway Surfers right here. So I'll delete it so I can do it again. So do the process again. So you go to Safari. You go to Store. Nope. Store. No. Store. Dot. Golden Cydia. So you just put Golden Cydia. It should be showing. And then it says green button working, red button not working. And then so these work, but this doesn't work. This works, these works, this doesn't, these doesn't. Minecraft story mode, Need for Speed 2K16, NBA, WWE 2K16, Call of Duty. Well, Call of Duty doesn't work, but it shows it's green, but it's like a big app, but it won't work. But I'm not sure about Minecraft, so I have Minecraft because I bought it, but so. See, when the down corner, the first one is Hitman Super Unlimited, and then Subway Surfers, Temple Run, Unlimited Coins, Assassin 8, Unlimited Coin, Candy Crush, Unlimited Coin, Angry Birds, Unlimited Coins, Hungry, Unlimited Sims, Free Play, Unlimited Coins. So, if you want to get, I'm going to get Subway Surfers, so you don't have to, but I'm going to get it. So, it might pop up this survey, but just X, put install, and then go back to it. Okay, installed. So wait until it's installed. So it will work because it'll give you limited. It won't give you unlimited, but it'll give you like tons and tons and tons and tons of coin keys. I did it last night, but I was actually shocked because I never done that before. I never hacked a game, but I think this channel is gonna be a hack game series of like attack stuff. So if you're interested in it, please subscribe and like the video and put notifications on my if you want to know how to hack game. Every time it has, I'm gonna post true stuff or like fake stuff. I'm gonna choose true stuff. I'm not like those people that get it and then they leave. It says installing, but they leave. It might not work. So see, they click Subway Surfers. It's gonna say trust. Go to settings. Go to Go to profile, device management, manage it in a bit. Okay, then you go to that, and then it says trusted. Then you go back, and then you go that, and then you go to Subway Surfers, and then it's gonna tell you to update it, but don't update it. It will mess up the hack. But it won't give you the players like Trixie and like those people you have to log where you can buy the coins. It's pretty cool. I like the hack. So here's the hack. Should be loaded. Says treasure in. Don't update. It will mess up the hack. Megan, no, don't do it. And then da. Oh, see? Look how much stuff I have. You can buy them. Like, I'm gonna buy my favorite character, Prince. How much? Wait. You got 120 million. Dang, that's a lot. You can just buy that easily. So there it is. So it's so easy, like so easy. So make my board. So easy. So I'm gonna buy this, and yeah. So there you have it. You can check it out. So it'll be easy, and it will be easy. So easy. Like, number one, my favorite hack ever. So there you have it. This is how to hack Subway Surfers. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.